Good morning, everyone. I'm really excited today. I finally unpacked my airbrush after my big move. I have not used this in probably 6 to 8 weeks, and I'm jonesing for an airbrushed pour. So I have just some of my favorite colors that I've done in the past. I have my really dark midnight blue, very thin consistency. I'm trying out a new pouring medium today because I didn't have any more of my Tester's Craft marbling medium. This is just an acrylic pour medium from another company. I'll have to look it up. But there's no water in my mix. It's just all pouring medium and paint. So as you can see, it's really nice and thin. Along with the blue, I also have my white paint. And then I have my silver Mayron makeup. I did thin this down. You can add, it's a mica pigment. It is makeup, but you can add liquid to it and it creates a more fluid consistency for applying it as makeup. I actually leave it quite thick so that in one of my paintings that I did, I left it thicker and I actually got some texture on my canvas. So I'm going to try that out today and see what happens. If it'll kind of keep some of that lumpy consistency. I actually kind of want that. I have my airbrush. I have it set at 40 PSI. That works for me. It's a nice airflow, but it's not too strong. I want a lot of this blue on here, so I think I'm going to put large areas of the blue and then smaller amounts of the white, and then start blowing it out and see what happens. I'm really liking this smoky, cloudy look that I have going on. I think I'm going to like this pouring medium quite a bit for this. And I may have to go mix up some more of my white, but we'll just kind of keep going here. And then I will add the silver. I'll most likely do that last. Actually, I might not need any more white because I filled up my canvas quite nicely. You look at this. Wow. This is really pretty. So I did get a small amount of cells in here. I normally don't go for a lot of cells when I do the airbrush pours, but when they show up, they do look nice, and I am liking the way that they look in this one. So the way that this one looks right now, I may keep this as is. I really like it, but I had originally planned on adding the silver. So I'm probably gonna add a little bit. But if you like your painting, stop. Don't keep working on it. But I do like adding one metallic, but this, once it dries, would look just gorgeous without it. So I'm gonna add some silver, but I do have more of these canvases. If I don't like the way it looks with the silver, I can always scrape it, or I can let it dry and try out another one. So a lot of it has to do with your preference on what you wanna add to your paintings. I'm only adding really small amounts, and then I'm adding some more of my color in so that I can break it up. and I like the way that that looks with it broken up into smaller areas. So I'm going to do that, probably just a little bit in each corner, and then maybe a small amount through here, but I really don't want to blow on it too much and affect the areas that I do really like. This blue is just one of my favorites. I absolutely love it. And these areas you can see where it's just mixing with that white for that really pillowy, cloudy effect is just gorgeous. So I hope you guys like this. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Hopefully it'll dry nice and we'll get some really nice pictures of this one. Let me know if you like the silver or not. If not, I definitely can do another one of these without the silver, just that blue and white. Sometimes the really simple, just 2-color pours look really, really well. And these colors definitely work really well together. But don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do put out 3 videos a week, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching today.